Yo boys, welcome to another video. This is a vlog where we've just had two of our students from our inner circle fly out to Dubai. And we're going to spend the next week together helping them scale their agency. So they've been a part of the program already for about 4 months. When they joined 4 months ago, they were at $5,000 a month. I'm going to get them to share their screen and show you everything. And then now 4 or 5 months later, they are on around $40,000 a month. And our goal now in 1 week is to share the right strategies, the right systems that we're actively doing right now to help them get to 70, 80, and eventually $100,000 in a month. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. There's going to be a lot to take away. So if you're watching this and you already have an agency and you're looking to scale, this is the one for you boys.
Holy shit, it's hot here, man. Holy shit.
What's up? Nice to meet you, bro. How you doing?
Yeah, very good, very good.
Welcome to Dubai, boys.
How you doing, bro? Nice to meet you.
It's a bit hot here, huh?
Yeah.
But welcome, boys. How was the flight? All good?
Yeah, it was a bit long. We almost missed the flight from Amsterdam.
Wait, the second one?
Yeah, we had to run. Shit. Holy shit.
This is the brokey way. I need to get used to this, no?
Bro, we got the stars in the roof. Bro, dreams really do come true, huh? Tomorrow, we're going to go through exactly what you guys are doing with your agency, what's good, what's bad, what needs to be improved, and then we'll put a game plan together on what we can execute for the next 7 days. This is where the magic happens, boys. I was only your guys, well no, you guys are way further than I was like 5 years ago. Like I had to figure it out. So yeah, sure, maybe it took me 4 or 5 years, but for you guys, that can be 1 year. Right, everybody, bit of an update with Frederick and Joachim here. So this is the first day done complete. And this is what I was just saying, is people are not going to believe us what we're about to say. But just to show you the proof and the receipts. So, okay, so first of all, how was the first day, boys?
It's been amazing. Couldn't have asked for more. Yeah.
What did we cover? I guess what didn't we cover? We literally went through everything. But literally within the first 24 hours, the boys went ahead and signed a new client. As you can see, 3 hours ago, earlier today, client signed. And this is what she is already doing. So last month, well, in April, she done 11,000. Yeah. Pretty fucking fire. So then now we're going to go over different onboarding strategies, different marketing strategies, and we already went over a chatting strategy that's going to make quite a lot of fun coupons. So yeah, you guys excited?
Yeah, excited.
Let's go. Yo everybody, so we are on our way to pick up a little present and a gift for the boys. We told them that if you implement everything that we've just taught you guys and you succeed and you make extra money, you know what? Because I'm such a generous, nice person, I'll get you a gift. And we're on our way to get the gift because they did implement it and it did work.
I can hear that fucking beat you up.
Yeah?
Fucking hell. Oh,
Open the door.
this motherfucker. Oh, shit.
Congratulations, boys.
Fucking hell.
Congrats, boys. You've earned it. I did say, if you implement what we taught you and it works and you get at least one success, you did. I'm a man of my word.
I swear, I've never been in a Lamborghini. Probably my biggest dream ever.
This car is something different now, the Hurricane Evo. Come out here, you've signed a new client straight away, used a whole load of new techniques, scaling the business in real time, and now you're spending your Saturdays in Dubai driving a Lambo.
That was it.
First door. Shit. Absolute maniac of a car. Holy shit.
Just out here scaring people?
Yeah, it is what we do.
This is what we do. I remember thinking, somebody has to do it.
It might as well be us.
We're pretty fucking good at it, you know?
Both of their reactions, wait, I'm gonna drive it. Yeah bro, this is for you. I'm just showing you what it is.
fucking mad.
He's on side with God, and I came out the mud. I'm an empath, so it ain't right if I buy this crop.
I can't believe your guys' first experience in Lambo was for a desert.
He's on side with God, and I came out the mud. I'm an empath, so it ain't right if I...
All right, boys, so a bit of an update on the boys that are here, so Joachim and Frederick. So when you guys flew out here, you guys and your agency were averaging, I mean, to be honest, let me just flip the camera. So you guys were averaging...
Yeah, we arrived on June 4th.
Yeah.
Averaged like $800 for a couple days.
Yeah.
Implementing new strategies.
Yeah.
Got everything sorted. Started to see some growth. And yeah, did some record days.
That's fire. So then, so for example, yesterday you guys done 3.5 or
Yeah.
3 point something,
Yeah.
and then the day before that was $4,800. So back-to-back record days, which is just amazing. Well, 4.8 was a record day, and then after that was still nearly 3 times what you guys were averaging. So really good. And obviously, if you guys extrapolate that across an entire month, you know, if you're averaging 1K a day, you're obviously around 30,000. All of a sudden, if we're at 4.8, what's 4. Let's just say 5,000. Is that 150 a month? Yeah. So you see what I mean? See how quickly you can go from like 30,000 to 150 if you just have the right systems in place. And this is what I was just saying as well to Joachim, is like nothing really changed, like in terms of the people that you're working with or your staff members, right? I mean, granted, you did sign one pretty big client, which was what, 3 days ago now?
Yeah, 4 days ago.
4 days ago, and she was doing what, 8,000 a month?
Yeah.
Okay, besides that, everything else is the same. You have the same staff members, everything is the same, but you just change around the way you do things, which is what we told you to do. And you guys just implemented it straight away and got some great results. So very, very happy, very happy. Let's see how today ends. Today's the last day. Let's really make a push for it. What are you on for the day so far?
Hasn't updated, but I think 1100.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Let's try and get 5K today.
Yeah.
That'll be fucking fun.
He's on side with God, and I came out the mud. I'm an empath, so
What do you think of this place, huh? So far?
Yeah, it's crazy. Never seen anything like this.
What have you trained so far?
Back and biceps.
Look at it, fucking hell, bro. Got a Frederick.
It's been a record month so far. What were you doing before you came here, like revenue-wise, and then how's it gone?
On average, we've been doing like 2K a day. Today, we're doing like way past 4K. That's pretty good. Implementing some new strategies, talked about with Markuss. A lot of good things happening right now. Pretty exciting things.
And how have you found the private community, you know, joining FameU and stuff like that since you joined?
Especially like the coaching calls, the weekly community calls, been basically pretty changing for our agency, because you can basically just ask as much questions as you want and learn from others' mistakes also.
And how long do you think till you get 100K a month? Next month?
Next month.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Well, Frederick, I just want to ask you, it's your final day here, bro. How's it been? You've been here a week now.
Yeah, it's been insane. Personal stuff, we've grown as human beings so much. Learning from these guys who live here. Agency-wise, literally went from having on average $1,000 days to about we're averaging 3.5K. Actually more than 3.5K last two to 3 days. It's been insane. Can't wait to get back and just implement stuff. Where we've really put stuff into use is on the community side of things. You get a really good network, both with people who has been in this industry for a long time, and then also you get the weekly calls where you just need to ask as many questions as you can, because that's really where you get like deep down into it, and you can really just ask Markuss, how do I do this? And then he will just answer. We went from doing around 5K when we started in the course to now doing hopefully 100K, on track to about 70K this month, but we will up the stakes a bit next week and hopefully get to 100K.
Okay, so it's day 7, boys. It's the last day. These guys have spent an entire week here. I think you guys have already seen their feedback so far, but it's been, first of all, it's been really fucking fun. But I think most importantly, you guys have taken a lot away from this whole experience. On the first day, we broke down exactly what they are doing and what they're not doing within their agency. Everything from client acquisition to onboarding. Onboarding was a lot of improvement needed. Then obviously everything to do with marketing, everything to do with chatting and how to increase sales. And I mean, the numbers speak for themselves. The boys went from doing around 1,000 a day to 2 days ago was their record day, $4,800. Yesterday was 3.5, and I'm sure today will also be around 3-ish. So all of a sudden we've gone from around 34,000 a month to around 90 to 140,000 a month. The numbers speak for themselves, but you guys have been fucking, that was wicked. That was actually fun. So thank you for coming, boys. And then we'll do a check-in. We'll do maybe another check-in in a couple of weeks or a month, actually, to see where you guys actually end up in the full month. So anyway, if you boys want to be here, and maybe you guys are some of the next people to come out here to Dubai, spend a whole week with us, but more importantly, actually help you scale your agency, drop me a message on Instagram at Markuss Hussle, and you might be next. Bow.